Now here's a video of my exhaust note. This is stock. This is the 5.3 liter LS4 GXP Grand Prix. Okay, I had the resonator removed today. Here's a clip with the resonator off. And to give you an example of what it sounds like revving it up, I doubt my phone's going to pick it up right. It's my HTC Evo 4G. It's not recording in HD right now. I have it turned off to save uploading time. And anyways, here's the sound with it off. I'm going to back it up so it doesn't sound too loud on this camera. And that was simply the resonator being removed.